Chapter number 21. What are the alternatives in production logistics? In fact, depending on the size, the type, and the weight of your product, you may have very different conveyors that you use in production logistics. You may use belt conveyors. You may use chain conveyors, as you see behind me in the image. This chain conveyor is used for pallets, but you also could use roller table conveyors where the products glide above the little steel balls. And so you have very different conveying principles, and you have different forms how to stop and how to meter the flow of your products. You may have mechanical stops, or you can also use sensors to see when a conveyor brings you a product and when you want the conveyor to stop to work on this product.